W, W, W. Let's learn the letter W. Fun words with W for me and you. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. It splashes water happily. W is for watch, ticking on the hand, telling us time is very grand. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet, a tasty summer fruit to eat. W is for windmill, turning in the wind, its blades spin round and pinned. W is for wagon, rolling on the ground, carrying toys all around. W is for worm, wiggly in the soil, it moves slowly and likes to toil. W is for wolf, howling at the night, its eyes shine with moonlight. W is for window, open to the view, letting fresh air through. W is for wings, flying in the sky, birds soar high and fly. W is for wrench, fixing things with care, turning bolts here and there. W is for web made by a spider small, catching drops when they fall. W is for wizard, casting magic spells in a world where wonder dwells. W is for waves, dancing in the sea, splashing happily and free. W, W, now we know W. Learning letters is fun, you see.